Welcome to Vahrenberg Implement pre-owned video today. We're here with a 2019 John Deere 3025E. This is a recent trade-in that we just received. This has the tractor, the loader, and it features a backhoe. This tractor has a little over, I think around 180 hours. We'll look here. 179.9 engine hours, so almost virtually brand new. He traded up to a Massey Ferguson with a little more horsepower, tractor loader backhoe combination. We're going to go around real quick, just show you the features and the functions. It has the ag tires, and it's got the 11.224 R1 agricultural tire on the back, and on the front we've got 1895/14 fronts. Got the loader here. It features a 61-inch bucket right there. It's got the John Deere style quick attach where you've got the pins here to undo to switch implements. Grill guard on the front. Got the hood pop, and I'm gonna have to go get a screwdriver to pop that sucker open because you got to have something, a tool to push in there. Got your joystick with a lock here. You can lock and unlock the loader. This is going to be your throttle. It is a Hydrostat transmission. You have a forward reverse pedal. You've got your 3-point raise and lower here. This is PTO switch, I think. Seat switch, that is your 4-wheel drive, your parking brake, and a 2-range hydrostat in this. A high-low 2-range hydrostat is what's available there. We're going to jump on here, we're going to take it for a drive, and then we'll come back and do some backhoe. It features the backhoe, got the seat here, flips up there, got the quick detach. This part here of the frame is going to detach from these pins right here, if you can see that. That pin, you got your hydraulics, you unhook, you can roll it off. Got the lever to keep the 3-point from going down when you're got the backhoe hooked up. The top link is inside. The bottom, if you look down there, you got a hook that it's going to hook in down there at the bottom. But that's the backhoe. We're going to jump on here, take it for a little drive, and show you this John Deere 2019 John Deere 3025E. We got us a tool here. Push that in, and that will release the top hood here. It's got a poly hood, and you got poly inch sides here. You can pull that and that. Takes a little bit of doing to get the hood sides off. We got poly side sheets here on both sides, but you can take a quick look at that engine. That's a Yanmar 24.7 engine horsepower engine. Got your air cleaner, your fuel filter, your oil fill, your oil check is down here. Radiator coolant up here. Get in there and see all the engine. The other side will come off too, but just wanted a quick glance to show you, man, this thing is almost as new as you can get. Only 180 hours roughly on it, so wanted to show you how nice and clean this engine is. And once you get the pins and all that back in, you got gas struts there on the poly hood. It looks like it's got a maintenance chart up here, but it just snaps back in place there. Paint is in super good shape. The poly material is all nice. There's no cracks to it. Got lights there, your grill guard. Have a brake on this side, your brake there, your parking brake is here, and your rain shifter. Little glove box there. Got your fuel tank back here. Got your fuel fill right back here. There's a fuel gauge up here on top of the tank. 3-point lift hitch arms. The lift capacity is 1,356 pounds, not at the ball end, but 2 foot behind the ball end. Hydraulic flow is 5.3 gallons per minute. Top link is inside. I think there's your dipstick right there. Got 540 PTO down here. So you can take the backhoe off, which you're going to remove those 2 pins as we mentioned earlier, and the framework will come off. And then you'll have a 3-point hitch tractor to do normal 3-point, category 1 3-point hitch work. Let's jump up here. We're going to start it up, drive it around, then we'll show you the operation of the backhoe. Jump up here. Got your key switch right down here. Lights. And your turn signals. Hazard lights. Your loader. Got 2 functions on your joystick here. Put it in low range. Use our pedal. Going forward. Reverse. RPMs. Come to a stop to go to high range. This is a synchronized hydrostat because you don't have a clutch pedal. There's your high range. PTO speed, you can take her on up. There's your 540 rear PTO. It's done by that sort. So let's get her set up here. We'll get the backhoe down on the ground and show you how it operates. First thing we're going to do is release the latch on the 2 outriggers. And that's going to be your 2 center levers. And you can see the outriggers going down here. So we got your outriggers down. Next you're going to have a pin here. Oh, there's a storage place for them. There's a pin, that's going to be your twist lock there. This is going to be your other one. Going to pull that pin out, set it in there, and then we can operate the backhoe. We'll jump up here. We'll extend the boom out, let it go down, go to the right. Come all the way back around to the left here. And there's your stops that you can get about 170 degrees, I bet, turn. Maybe a little less than that, but turn it here and then we can show you the outreach. That's your dipper cylinder, their bucket cylinder. And that's your reach on it. We'll just jump down and show you. Oop, better go this side. That's the only side that's got a step. Got a big step there. Got your backhoe extended out here. 15-inch bucket on the backhoe. And you can see the tractor loader backhoe there. Now to return them back to the storage position, we're going to want to raise this up. We're going to close the bucket and the dipper cylinder here, drop it down. And you want to line that up to take your pin, put it in there. That's your safety latch for that. And then we're going to do our left to right, which is that pin there. Once you have your dipper down, you're going to raise your two outriggers, and they will come up, and they've got a snap latch. That one snapped, and it's latched now. And that's the ease of operating the backhoe. Now we got the loader on the ground. You can see the John Deere quick attach. Looks like they've got the chemically treated cylinders instead of chrome cylinders on the loader portion. And I do not see that this is a quick detach loader. I think this is a permanent loader on the 3025E here, this 300E loader. If you go to check out tractor data, you can see performance specs. It does have a coolant heater down here. And there's your backhoe frame underneath there. Tires. And your steering cylinders up here. Got the ag tires as we mentioned. Man, it's a super, this is as close as you're going to get to a brand new one at 180 hours 2019. This is in super good shape. Got the foldable roll bar and everything on it. So come check it out if you're in West Central Missouri. Come check it out at Vahrenberg Implement. The John Deere 3025E 2019 model with just less than 108 or just 180 hours on it. We're here at Vahrenberg Implement, your West Central Missouri Massey, Ferguson, and RhinoAG dealer here in West Central Missouri at the first stoplight. We've got several pre-owned trades in. Come see them. They're not lasting very long, and I expect this one not to last very long either. It's a pretty nice shaped tractor, and as wild as the tractor market is, if you're looking for a tractor loader backhoe, you better come check out this John Deere 3025E.